Picture this: a hot, cheesy slice of pizza lands on your tongue. Instantly, your brain lights up like a city at night. Every bite triggers a flood of dopamine, the same chemical released when you fall in love. But behind this moment of bliss, something powerful begins inside your body. Enzymes in your saliva start breaking down starches in the crust, even before you swallow. The smell of melted cheese, the crunch, the tangy sauce, all of it signals your digestive system to get ready. Your stomach isn't waiting. It's already preparing for what's coming. As the warm, cheesy bite slides down your throat, a coordinated wave called peristalsis pushes it gently through the esophagus. Your brain orchestrates every muscle movement, even without your awareness. Within seconds, the pizza reaches your stomach, a bubbling, muscular cauldron ready to unleash acids and enzymes. Here, hydrochloric acid breaks down the cheese proteins, while gastric lipase targets the fats. The crust, already softened, begins turning into chyme, a semi-liquid mixture. This is where your body shifts from taste pleasure to full digestive warfare. You're no longer just eating pizza. Your body is processing it like fuel. Inside your stomach, the slice begins to lose its delicious form. The cheese melts further under the acidic environment, proteins unraveling like tangled yarn. The crust disintegrates into glucose chains, preparing to flood your bloodstream. Fats from the oily cheese float like tiny droplets, coated in bile soon to come. Meanwhile, your stomach muscles contract rhythmically, churning everything together. This isn't random. It's a perfectly timed sequence. Hormones signal your pancreas and liver that nutrients are on the way. The comforting satisfaction you feel after that bite? It's your body responding to this intense chemical and physical transformation. Next, the chyme moves toward the small intestine, the body's main nutrient extraction zone. As it enters, bile from the gallbladder gushes in like green liquid fire, breaking down the cheese fat into tiny droplets. Pancreatic enzymes join the party, dismantling starches into simple sugars and proteins into amino acids. The walls of your small intestine, lined with millions of microscopic villi, begin absorbing these nutrients. Every molecule has a purpose: sugars for energy, amino acids for rebuilding, fats for storage and cell structure. The pizza you savored just minutes ago is now becoming part of you. Glucose from the crust surges into your bloodstream like a wave of instant energy. Your pancreas detects the spike and releases insulin to escort glucose into cells. This is why pizza can make you feel energized. Even euphoric, your brain loves sugar highs. But with this quick spike comes a hidden dip. Your blood sugar will eventually crash, leaving you sluggish. Meanwhile, the amino acids from the cheese and meat toppings circulate, building and repairing tissue. The fat molecules, slower to process, begin their longer journey, some for fuel, others destined for storage. Your brain responds almost instantly to this sugar surge. The reward center lights up, releasing dopamine, giving you that warm, satisfied feeling. But this isn't just pleasure. It's biochemical reinforcement. Your body remembers that pizza equals a dopamine hit. This is why cravings come back so easily. At the same time, your digestive hormones tell your brain you're full, but that signal lags slightly. That delay is why it's easy to overeat. Your stomach knows before your brain does. And so, that extra slice slips in without resistance, adding even more calories to the system. Meanwhile, your digestive system keeps working behind the scenes. The nutrients now flow through your bloodstream to every corner of your body. Glucose fuels your muscles, helping you move. Amino acids rebuild tissues, and fats prepare to be stored in adipose cells. It's an intricate dance between energy supply and demand. If your body needs energy, it burns the pizza calories. If not, it stores them for later. But here's the catch: modern diets often mean later never comes, so those calories end up accumulating as body fat, silently expanding your energy reserves. As digestion continues, your liver steps in like a meticulous accountant. It filters incoming nutrients, deciding what gets used, stored, or transformed. Extra glucose converts to glycogen for short-term storage or fat for long-term. Excess fats may end up in your bloodstream, contributing to cholesterol levels. Your liver works overtime to balance the surge from that cheesy slice. This is why repeated indulgence matters. Your liver doesn't forget. Over time, these spikes can reshape your metabolism. For now, though, it's just another day processing your favorite comfort food. Your stomach slowly empties, but the effects of the pizza ripple on. The fats digest slowly, providing hours of sustained energy. This is why pizza can make you feel full for a long time. But if you overeat, that heaviness isn't comfort, it's your digestive system struggling to keep up. Your heart pumps harder to manage the surge of nutrients, while your intestines keep absorbing. Meanwhile, your blood sugar curve starts its downward slope. That post-meal fatigue creeping in? It's your body shifting focus to digestion, diverting energy from everything else. Your gut microbiome now joins the process. Bacteria in your large intestine feed on whatever's left fiber from the crust, bits of sauce, and tiny residues. These microbes produce beneficial compounds like short-chain fatty acids, which nourish your gut lining. But if the pizza was heavy on processed ingredients, some bacteria may feed the less friendly colonies, creating bloating and discomfort. This is why not all pizzas feel the same afterward. Your gut isn't just a passive organ. It's an ecosystem reacting to every choice you make. Hours later, the final stage begins. Water is reabsorbed in your large intestine, compacting leftover waste. What was once a cheesy slice of pizza has been transformed into fuel, nutrients, and inevitable waste. Most of it is now part of your cells or stored in fat. What remains will soon leave your body, completing the journey. But here's the hidden truth. Your body remembered every ingredient. Each calorie, each gram of fat or sugar is accounted for. And if repeated often, those indulgences shape your long-term health far more than you realize. Here's where contrast hits. One slice of pizza can be a satisfying source of energy when balanced with activity. But when repeated often, it silently piles up as extra weight, cholesterol, and blood sugar spikes. Your body doesn't judge, it simply reacts. It turns pleasure into fuel, but excess into baggage. The same process that gives you comfort can, over time, strain your heart, liver, and metabolism. This is why understanding what happens inside your body matters. It's not just food. It's a choice that echoes beyond the plate. The magic and danger of pizza lies in its perfect storm of sugar, fat, and salt. This trio hijacks your brain's reward system more powerfully than most foods. It's engineered to make you crave more. And when your brain craves, your body obeys. But awareness breaks the cycle. Understanding what happens inside gives you power over the impulse. Pizza isn't evil, it's information. It shows how your body transforms pleasure into biochemistry and how you can decide whether to let it control you or fuel you wisely. Think of it this way: your body is a brilliant machine. It knows exactly how to handle pizza, break it, process it, use it. But machines thrive on balance. One slice fuels. 5 slices flood. A healthy metabolism depends on what happens next: movement, rest, or repetition. If you burn it, pizza becomes energy. If you don't, it lingers. Each bite is a tiny vote for how your body will feel tomorrow. Understanding this isn't about guilt, it's about reclaiming control over what you choose to enjoy. So next time you grab a cheesy slice, picture this entire journey from your tongue to your cells. Feel the enzymes at work, the surge of glucose, the reward in your brain. This isn't just eating. It's chemistry, energy, memory. Every slice has a story your body writes in real time. And the best part? You're the author. A single choice can be enjoyment. Repetition can be impact. Awareness lets you keep the joy without paying the price. That's the real shocking truth behind pizza. Pizza doesn't just fill your stomach, it shapes your biology. One bite can fuel your body. Many bites can reshape your future. This story isn't about fear, it's about clarity. Knowing what happens inside gives you control outside. That cheesy slice becomes more than flavor. It's a lesson in how your body listens, reacts, and remembers. So enjoy it wisely, respect the science behind the craving, and let knowledge turn every indulgence into intention. That's how you win back power one slice at a time.